Psychology says that if you watch motivational videos but still don't feel like doing something, it could be due to overthinking. Because overthinking completely changes your mentality, you lose energy to do anything. Psychology says you shouldn't love someone too much or care too much because people have a nature. That is, when people get something before they ask for it, or when they get a little too much, they forget to value it. Psychology says that when we start loving another person, we agree with his every word, whatever he says seems right to us. A research shows that we value things that we have for a limited time more. So if you want to get value or respect from someone, then you will be there for a limited time. According to psychology, when we keep thinking negative for a long time, it has a lot of effect on our body. So we should always stay positive and think positive. Did you know that most people have 5 to 7 dreams at night while sleeping, but in the morning they can remember only 1 to 2 dreams? According to psychology, romantic relationships last only for 1 to 2 years, after which the relationship gradually begins to break down and hatred towards each other increases. According to psychology, you should never think of yourself as inferior to anyone, and if you do this, you will not succeed in anything. Instead, think that no one else can do what you can. Psychology says never be available to someone all the time, because if you are always available to everyone, they will never understand your importance. So try to make yourself a busy person, then everyone will understand your value. According to psychology, if a boy loves a girl and she starts ignoring the boy, then the attraction of the boy towards the girl increases and the possibility of the boy becoming depressed increases. According to psychology, if you don't love yourself, you will always chase those who don't love you. According to psychology, if someone's memory hurts you again and again, then understand that you are also in his heart.